Yeah, you are going to. Today in another episode of Drive and Whistle. So we drive and whistle, you know. Me I go talk about one interview. Well, the phrase of Vybz Kartel use at times are a statement we make. But this statement is that when they ask him about, you know, how dancehall music can evolve from where it is, he mentioned mixing art with commerce. Yep. And people might just make it fly over them head, especially the musicians. So, just a matter of what I mean by that. Yep. People might want to know what I mean. Well, I can say first of all, me know in my mind, so me now go verbatimly or say exactly what I mean from out of him head. But the statement itself, it can be interpreted this way. You see me? Okay, now we talk about commerce and now. It's talking about business. Right? The buy and selling, the supply and demand thing that make up the commerce. And when we talk about the art now, we are talking about the music itself, because it's confined to art. It's talking about, yeah, the music. So the musicians would be considered as the artist. Right? So when myself mix it, you know, it's to make the music becomes commercially viable. Right? And this is something where may I say from even Vybz they are prison. With the dancehall music. You see, dancehall music, you know, it is loved worldwide. And it is very influential because of it, the Afrobeat spin off from, and also the reggaeton. That's the spin off of it. But dancehall music always get left behind. And we always wonder why, and we are jealous of the Afrobeat, we are jealous of the reggaeton. But there's a reason why, or there are many reasons why dancehall music get left behind. See, one of them is basically because dancehall come from Jamaica. And Jamaica have about 3 million people. The population of Jamaica, yeah. No Jamaican have 3 million, because a lot of Jamaican in the diaspora, right? So, the population is about 3 million, roughly 3 million people. And the diaspora would make up maybe for another 1 million. Rough figures may drop right there, so. So the fan of dancehall music might be maybe, you know, maybe about 2 million pound that. Compared to Afrobeat. Afrobeat, call it a Nigerian business that. Nigerian is a ton load of millions of people. Plus they have millions of people outside of Nigeria. Plus they have people who love the Afrobeat. So we look on the audience there, so. Reggaeton are the same thing. Spanish type of music. But here we with them, they're more commercially viable than dancehall. Because you can take up any one of them reggaeton, yeah, or any one of them Afrobeat, yeah, and put it in our ad. You don't need to bleep out nothing. No. You can't do a dancehall music, so. Not the average dancehall music, I should I say. Especially nowadays, the 2020 ad go up dancehall music. It's too graphic. So because it have a small audience or small fan base on average, plus the commercial viability of it is very low. That is one of the reasons why it is that low. And that is what Vybz Kartel is saying. It needs to mix the art with the commerce. How you gonna do that? Firstly, you have to make sure so your music look cleaner. Right? It has to be a little cleaner. Not totally clean, you know. Because dancehall is very dynamic. It have a clash culture. It have a the culture where it speaks to the emotions. And it have the just normal commercially viable thing. But it is less commercially viable than most other genre. And everybody come in now and say, whoa, me like this a sound here. And then take it and infuse it. Turn it to something. And we sit down there and watch everybody taking it and we now fix our own. We need to fix a lot of the lyrics them in this song. Sometimes one line in this song freak up the whole song. You can't use. It spend a couple months on the radio or a couple months in the dance and dead. Saying? Yeah. So basically that me I say you need to fix up. And this is the commercial viability of the song will become good. Tell me what you think about it here, sir. Because this is Joe Creek. Drive or whistle. Have that.